Meeting up with new friends and have affordable coffee at this roadside coffee shop in Dumaguete City? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan! Mayong adlaw, this is J. Perpetual Kid at tara! Let's explore Dumaguete. JRF Cafe is located at Purok Kalubihan, Upper Daro, Dumaguete City. Malapit lang ito sa Ace Dumaguete Doctors Incorporated at harap ng Husi Ball Field. I was intrigued by their mango latte worth 89 pesos. Kaya pinanood ko how it was made. May kape, mango puree, ice, milk at marami pang milk. And then before you know it, it's ready to be served and enjoyed by the customer. JRF Cafe is open from Monday to Saturday at 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. while they are closed every Sunday. Again, this is J. Perpetual Kid and we explored an affordable roadside coffee shop in Dumaguete City. JRF Cafe. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!